I manifested this very moment. Like, I would tell my friends, I'm being on Dolls Kill. Maybe I should put my products on Dolls Kill. I'm Starr. I am the CEO of Sweet Cookie Wash, an all-natural feminine hygiene brands where, you know, we keep your cookie fresh, we keep your cookie clean for badass women that's confident. Pass the Spotlight is me, because I'm the spotlight. Hello. No, I'm kidding. Pass the Spotlight is a program that I'm so blessed to be a part of. Dolls Kill committed $1 million to Black-owned companies, and they're basically investing the money in our products, selling it on their website, and all the proceeds go to charity. The charities that we're donating to is a Black Sex Workers Collective and A Long Walk Home. The Cookie Wash brand started because of my followers. I was in LA trying to be like a struggling actress, living on somebody's couch. I had a sex blog. And obviously if you talk about sex, you gotta talk about the cleanup. So I would tell them all the natural remedies you could use to clean yourself. People was like, well, why don't you sell this stuff? Because you're broke anyways. I ended up selling water on the side of the road, but that wasn't enough money. So I was like, okay, you're an actress. You can get on Instagram and act, and people will buy in a pre-order. So that's what I did. I was on Instagram like, listen, you gotta lay off the chemicals. You gotta, you know, put natural stuff on your cookie. You gotta step your cookies up. And I would tell them all the ingredients. I would tell them the benefits of the ingredients, and people bought into it. I would say the Cookie Wash brands is plain and simple confidence. You can be confident that the ingredients used in the products are 100% safe, plant-based. You could be confident when you go to the bathroom. You could be confident in the bedroom. You could be confident your cookie gonna be smelling fresh and nice throughout the day, even if it's hot. No matter what you do, you're gonna be confident down there. The work that my company does is super important because a lot of women don't really know about feminine hygiene. It's not a hot topic. It's always been taboo. I felt like it was important for us to come along and normalize the conversation and boost your confidence.